What's up, Peak Timers? Welcome to this week's edition of Hot Wheels News. This week we've got a ton of new Hot Wheels cars to go over, including some Lamborghinis and McLarens. Over 90% of you that watch my videos are not subscribed, so if you don't want to miss a video that I post, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss an upcoming video. Alright, let's get right into the news, and we'll start it off from a fellow YouTuber who already received his 2020 Hot Wheels J case, and there's a ton of really cool cars inside. Let's have a look at them. First up is the brand new casting. It's the 1998 Honda Prelude from the Honda series. Then we've got another new casting, the 2020 Jeep Gladiator from Baja Blazers. And here we have some other pictures of it loose from the blister pack. It's looking fantastic. One of the most interesting castings released this year, it's Urkenstein Rod from Hot Wheels Hot Trucks. And here we have a brand new color of the 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster from the Hot Wheels Roadster series. And we also have some other pictures of this Lamborghini out of its card. Here we go. I love it in this new white color. 1964 Nova Wagon Gasser from Muscle Mania. Custom Auto, also from Muscle Mania. Manga Tuner in a new color from the Toon series, Batplane from the Batman series, Lamborghini Sesto Elemento from the Hot Wheels Exotic series. This is the mainline version. There will also be a Super Treasure Hunt version for the 2020 Hot Wheels J case. Humvee from the Hot Wheels Art Cars, BMW Z4M Motorsports from Nightburners, Power Pistons from X Racers, Porsche 911 GT3 RS from Hot Wheels Exotics. This is the Tanner Fox edition. Bone Shaker looking sharp in this new color from the Hot Wheels Art Cars series. 2018 Ford Mustang GT from Hot Wheels Speed Graphics. Velocita from the Olympic Games Tokyo 2020 series. 2018 Honda Civic Type R from the Honda series. Croc Rod from Street Beast. 1990 Acura NSX from Hot Wheels Exotics. Beat All from X Racers. Custom 2001 Acura Integra GSR from Speed Blur. Jaguar XE SV Project 8 from Nightburners. 1968 Shelby Mustang GT500 from Hot Wheels Flames. And finally the 1957 Plymouth Fury from the Hot Wheels Flame series. Are you liking this week's edition of Hot Wheels News? Let me know by hitting that like button. And next up, some more new castings that will be released this year, including this Super Treasure Hunt 1969 Chevy pickup truck, which will be the Super Treasure Hunt for the 2020 Hot Wheels L case. And this is the main line of that 1969 Chevy pickup. Here are some real life pictures of the up and coming Nissan 300ZX recolor with the Japanese police livery on the side of it. And we've also got a new red color of the Mercedes-Benz A-Class. It's really nice with those black wheels on it. Then we've got another cool recolor of the 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster from Hot Wheels Roadster series. 1965 Ford Galaxy from Hot Wheels Flames, a recolor of the McLaren P1 from the Hot Wheels Exotic series, Turbo Booster from Street Beast, Slide Kick from Xpera Motors, custom Ford Maverick from Hot Wheels Flames, and check out this white McLaren Senna from the Nightburner series. I'm really looking forward to this recolor. Honda S2000 from the Honda series, 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor from the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics series, Batmobile from the Batman series, and finally the Sandblaster from Hot Wheels Hot Trucks. And this week's Hot Wheels Deal of the Week is the Hot Wheels Super 6-Lane Raceway. This is the main track that I use for all of my racing videos, and this track sometimes does go up to $250, so at the time of posting this video, it's on sale for only $99.99, so go ahead and pick yourself up one and you can make some Hot Wheels racing videos. Check it out in the first link in the description box below. Next up, we have some some really exciting news. It's a brand new casting of the Lamborghini Urus. Now, you may remember that we have seen Hot Wheels make the Lamborghini Urus before, but this was not the production version of it. It was the concept variation of the Lamborghini Urus. Let me know in the comments section down below, what do you think of this new Lamborghini casting? Later this year, the Ford RS200 will appear in a car culture series, but now it's popped up as a Hot Wheels ID car. Expect to see this in the Hot Wheels ID line very soon. We've already seen 2020 Hot Wheels Mystery Models Series 1 and 2, and now we get a picture of Series 3. The highlight castings from this series is the Datsun 240Z, the Volkswagen Golf MK2, and the Corvette C7R. Let me know in the comments down below if you have found any of the mystery models from the 2020 Hot Wheels series. You are now up to date in this week's edition of Hot Wheels News. Don't forget to hit that like button and check out the deal of the week, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.